Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to create an aesthetic Instagram stories using InShot. Perfect for travel, vlogs, or daily moments. Let's get into it. First open the InShot and choose canvas and then set it to 9 by 16. This is ideal for the size of Instagram stories. Then here import your photos or videos. You can resize or position them to fit the frame perfectly. You can also add a filter or preset. Try a soft tones like fade, vintage, or warm for clean aesthetic. You can also adjust the brightness and saturation to match your vibe. Then you can also tap the text to add minimalist caption of your quotes. You can use a trendy fonts or keep it simple. Think lowercase, white text, or beige tones. You can also use extra flair. Go to sticker and then you can add an aesthetic elements like tape, sparkles, film frames, or emojis. You can also add a subtle background music from the music tab. You can choose something chill or lo-fi or cohesive mood. Then you can preview your story and make sure that everything flows naturally. And that's it. That's how you create aesthetic IG stories in InShot. If you love this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment aesthetic if you want a full IG content series. Thanks for watching.